All right, so welcome back. This is WTI, and currently we don't really have anything serious on WTI, aside the fact that if you were able to join right here yesterday when I suggested or advised to take a trade when the market comes back to 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. Okay, if you've been able to join here, then you should be in a very good or decent profit right now. I advised yesterday that we should join or we could join we could take a short trade when the market comes back to retesting 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. If you did that, then you should be fine now. So now what is the plan now? There is nothing really interesting about WTI currently, aside the fact that we should just anticipate for a much further sell, okay, a much sell off. Okay, but the only thing that could pose a challenge for us right here is this daily trend line, okay, acting as support. Okay, let's just say daily support right there. Okay, it could pose a challenge because if you take the time frame to if you take the whole thing down a little bit, as you can see right there, you can see this trend line right here. You can see support, 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 and right here could be another support. Okay, this will be the fourth time it will be retested and it might be taken as support. So that could be the only place that the market might take a little break before it now drop down, if it's gonna drop down. Okay, and if it now gets to this place, then we can look for a much further sell if this area is broken. However, if this level right here, okay, if this level right here fails to be broken, then we can see a much deeper push to the upside. All right, so that is where I stand currently right now. Okay, you need to know everything. You need to know what could stand against you and what is standing beside you in the market, especially if you're a swing trader, because you have to leave the trade open overnight, come back to watch it. Anything can happen overnight. So this right here could be the only challenge that we might face as a seller, but nothing to worry about. If you're shorting already, just adjust your stop loss slightly above here. My stop loss is already here. Okay, it's already at 38.2%. So if the market decided to jump up, then I'll be out in profit. The market also decided to jump up on you as well, you'll be out in profit also. It might be very smaller compared to mine, but it's a profit is a profit. Okay, don't get attached to that. All right, another thing also is the NFP that is coming today. I don't know how that's going to play out, but I think the job is going to be positive. Though during the course of the week, I heard that Google discharged like 300 of their core employees. I don't know how that's going to factor into the market. Okay, but we're going to see the result today, and the data for that's coming later today is the one for last month. But we're going to get the data in the next 3 to 4 hours now, and then we're going to see what that is going to be, how that's going to be factored into the chart and how that's going to impact the market. But for the meantime, there's nothing to really worry about aside the fact that we just have to wait and see how our setup and our trade plays out this week, okay, or today, because the week is already over. It's almost over, not over. I don't think I see happen. Some people can still become a billionaire today, anyways. Billionaire, yeah, maybe they must have been a millionaire before they can become a billionaire. If you're gonna happen overnight, okay, or a day, of course they have to be a millionaire, maybe very close to billionaire. Something just happened and then you're already a billionaire. But if you're a Tanzania, you want to become a billionaire in a day? Oh, maybe not. I'm just kidding. All right, so I'm gonna catch you guys later. Okay, just stick to this. Make sure you manage your trade appropriately and don't get too attached to it as well, and just leave the trade to run its course and see how it plays out. Okay, so the two trades we are running right now, we're waiting for gold, and WTI is playing out nicely. So we're gonna chill and see how it plays out. Catch you later. Bye for now.